Hi, I'm Jillian Tedesco, and I'm the founder and owner of Fit Flavors, certified chef, nutritionist, and previously a personal trainer. Those three passions have led me to create Fit Flavors and bring you healthy food. So today, my tip in the kitchen is how to blanch and shock vegetables. And the reason you would do this is because it promotes crispiness for the vegetable and very bright colors, and it actually prolongs the shelf life after you cook it. So what I have is fresh broccoli. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get your pan full of water to a light boil. I like to season my water. I just feel like it gives the vegetable a completely different flavor when it's with salt. I don't overdo it, but I definitely cook with salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop probably 3 handfuls of broccoli in here. It'll be about 3 or 4 servings. And this is something that you're gonna wanna just let simmer for a couple minutes. Now, depending on how big your pan is or how much your water was boiling will determine how long you need to cook it. But I'm going to say 2 to 3 minutes. This is something I like to keep an eye on. I don't try to do too much, because if you get your pan really hot and it's boiling super fast, you walk away, you come back, your veggies can turn to mush, and that's what you don't want. If this is something that I'm going to be reheating, maybe in a stir fry, I definitely don't want to overcook this, because I'm going to be recooking it or tossing it in the stir fry pan. So this is something that is going to cook through, so it'll go ahead and cook through that broccoli stalk, get it a little bit more tender, and then it's going to promote such a vibrant color. So when you shock it, this is the key thing that I think a lot of people skip when they steam vegetables or blanch vegetables, is they forget to shock them. And what the shocking does is it stops the cooking time like immediately, brings the vegetable down to a cool temperature, and that's what gives you that crispiness, and it's going to turn this broccoli bright green. So it's just going to cook here for a few minutes. So my broccoli looks like it's pretty done. I can go ahead and just kind of scoop out a piece in here, grab a fork, stab the stem, and it's the consistency that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop these out of here, and I'm dump them right in my ice bath. So it is an extra step. I can't even tell you guys. When I learned how to do this, I was like, this is like the best secret ever in the kitchen, especially if you want this broccoli to be on point in like 4 days. So there's that. Let me shut off my fire. So what I would do is, you're going to want to let this sit. I always just let it sit in my sink for a couple minutes, but just to rush this video along, I'll go ahead and kind of show you what I do. So I would even drain it in a colander, but after I'm done, I kind of put it in like a pan, just like this. And one of my little secrets is I use this olive oil cooking spray. A lot of people think, oh yeah, use this in the pan. Actually, you don't want to saute at high temperatures with olive oil. It just doesn't have a high smoke temp. I like to spray my vegetables with it. You use a lot less oil that way, and it coats the vegetable. You've got like everything coated. Then I do a little sprinkle of sea salt and fresh black pepper. Now, this is awesome. I probably do this often, 3 or 4 nights a week. Me and my husband love broccoli, and I can actually get my kids to eat it. Shaved Parmesan cheese is really good on here. Lemon, fresh cracked, I said black pepper, or even red pepper is really good. So it's simple and easy. This is also going to be great when you put it in the fridge and then reheat it in the microwave. This is how we do it at Fit Flavors, and this is how I suggest you give it a try at home.